This 2025 Gulfstream BT Cruiser 5255 is a Class B Plus RV. It is located in Port Charlotte, FL 33980 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Gulfstream is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2025 Gulfstream BT Cruiser 5255 is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.